Several months earlier, I'd written a letter on cream-colored paper that surely must have landed in this very same box. I'd just finished reading The Unsettling of America, a book by writer, activist, and sixth-generation Kentucky farmer Wendell Berry. I left one particular chapter, The Body and the Earth, so riddled with notes and stars that I could barely read the original text. There were two sentences that I found especially inspiring. While we live, our bodies are moving particles of the earth, joined inextricably both to the soil and to the bodies of other living creatures. It is hardly surprising, then, that there should be some profound resemblances between our treatment of our bodies and our treatment of the earth. This was exactly what I was looking for, a farmer who had given considerable thought to the links between agriculture and human health. I wrote to Mr. Berry immediately, introducing myself and asking if I might pay him a visit. To my delight, a week later he called me, an overture that I now understand to have been singularly generous given that he handwrites everything and avoids even the most basic technologies. He explained that he receives many requests and has to be selective about visitors, but a doctor interested in having a conversation about medicine and farming could not be denied. So we set a date, and Wendell Berry told me to come at 2:00 p.m., after midday chores. I should have left it at that, but so great was my excitement that I offered to come earlier and help out. His first response was silence, and then he said, in the politest of Kentucky drawls, "Ma'am." No more was needed, as the message was clear. He would not dream of offering to help me do my job as a doctor. Why in the world should I presume that I could help him be a farmer? On my end, I winced with embarrassment and assured him I would not arrive a minute too early. Now, here I was, at 2:01 p.m., climbing the steps to the shaded veranda. Just then, Wendell Berry emerged from behind the screen door. From where I stood, he appeared to be a very tall man, and he was holding a copy of my first book. "Dr. Miller?" he asked, and, silly as I sounded, I could not help but answer, "Yes, and Wendell Berry, I presume?" We both laughed. "You doctors who kicked over the traces interest me a lot," he said as he settled into one of the white rattan rockers on the porch and invited me to occupy the other. "There are a lot of doctors who are suffering pretty badly, and it is because of that collision of technology with flesh." In that instant, I understood that Wendell Berry knew, better than I, why I was there.